Swine flu. It seems like it was everywhere last year. Probably a few people you lived or worked with had it, while others remained healthy. Why is it that within the same city, town, or even workplace, some get sick and others don't? The some get mild cases, while others are sick for days. Epidemiologists are trained to ask these questions. To you, sickness might mean a trip to the doctor's office, but an epidemiologist thinks about health and illness from a community or even global perspective. Imagine a giant standing over Miami, watching swine flu sweep through the city. That giant looks at many kinds of disease, not just the flu, from the epidemiologist's perspective, studying all factors that affect community health. Over the past year, I have played the part of that giant, but instead of watching swine flu spread through Miami, I was interested in burns. Specifically, I studied burn injuries in the elderly population of Miami-Dade County. When you think of injuries in the elderly, falls and broken bones probably come to mind. But injuries from burns and house fires kill and injure thousands of older adults each year. The elderly are the second leading group, only after children, for burn injuries. They often have the worst outcomes. Because of their age, they aren't able to recover as well as children or younger adults. A third of older adults hospitalized for a burn will die from their injury, so the key is to prevent the burn from happening in the first place. This is a problem that most people, including the seniors themselves, are unaware of, so naturally, not much has been done to fix it. Most burns could be easily prevented, and this is where my work is focused. The Elderly Burn Prevention Outreach Program at the University of Miami and the William Lehman Injury Research Center was developed to educate seniors on the risk in their home. House fires and scald burns account for most burn injuries. Simply by lowering water temperature to 120 and reminding the seniors of careful smoking behaviors, as most house fires are caused from cigarettes, these scald and house fire injuries can nearly be eliminated. Sometimes, the seniors only need a simple reminder about the hazards in their home, like replacing batteries in their smoke detector. Other times, the risk is completely unknown to them. Did you know that most people's water temperature is set so high they can be burned in only a matter of seconds? These may seem simple, but sometimes in epidemiology, it's the simplest things, like washing your hands, eating an apple instead of French fries, or buckling your seatbelt, that make the biggest difference in keeping you from becoming the next case that giant sees.